Okay, I just got back from Walmart and this is our first grocery haul of 2022. So I'm just gonna quickly go through everything that I bought. I have, starting over here, I got 3 bags of lettuce, 2 bags of the cuties, or I guess these are halos, they've been really good lately. A thing of celery, a thing of carrots, I'm making soup this week. A bunch of heads of broccoli for sweet potato hash, sweet potatoes, shallots, a new bag of onions. Oh, and then there's 2 English cucumbers back here. I got a thing of Velveeta. I'm gonna make like a Velveeta cheese dip tonight. I got this bag of 15 bean soup. I'm gonna make a ham and beans soup this week with a ham bone. Fast rising yeast. I'm gonna try and make bread. I got some spreadable butter, cinnamon sugar butter, cottage cheese, a few different kinds of regular cheese. I got Parmesan because I'm gonna make chicken Alfredo this week. Fiesta blend cheese. I always have that on hand. And then mozzarella cheese for lasagna. Here is cherry preserves, that's for a new recipe I'm trying, and peach preserves. I wanted to make chicken wings in the air fryer, but nowhere had chicken wings today, so I went to 2 different grocery stores, neither one did, but I still got the ingredients for it, so we'll just have that on hand for another time. This is also for the wings, this Wing Commander Fierce Wing Rub, something new we're gonna try. Barbecue sauce, grape jelly, blue cheese dressing, chicken broth. This was the only size they had. It's the 48-ounce carton, but that's fine because I'll use that to make my broth. Gallon of milk. These poppable chips. I got the sea salt ones and then honey barbecue too. Miracle Whip. 2 things of chili sauce. I wanted to get the Heinz, but they only had 1 left, so I got the Great Value one. I needed new moisturizer, so I grabbed that. Pepper. Cream of mushroom soup. That's for a new recipe that I'm trying this week. I got 2 of those. 2 cans of chickpeas. A can of Rotel. A box of goldfish. After Christmas vacation, the kids are like all out of snacks, so I got a lot of snack food too that they can take to school for snack or have at home too. I got this cinnamon swirl bread. Sophia really likes to toast that and have it in the morning. I got a loaf of sandwich bread. These tortillas are so good to have with to make like quesadillas out of them. So I got those. The kids like to eat those after school. I got 2 bags of these cafe style chips. Here's Amelia's Oreos that are left. These sour cream and onion toasted Ritz are so good. I'm gonna make hummus to have with those as another snack thing. There's another bag of chips. These I usually buy at Costco, I think, but I saw them at Walmart. The kids really like those too, to have like after school or with their lunch or something like that. Got a box of club crackers, box of the chewy granola bars. This one has peanut butter, chocolate chip, and s'mores. And then I got just a box of the regular chewy chocolate chip ones. This is not something I normally buy, but I got 2 boxes of pork stovetop. That's for a pork chop recipe we're trying this week. These are so good. They have them, we got them at Walmart, but it's like a pork ramen. And yeah, they're just really good. They're better than just like the top ramen. But I got 6 of those. These I found in the Christmas clearance. They were 75% off, so they were like $3.23 for 12 K-Cups. So I got the Winter Wonderland Green Mountain one, and they're in like a tin. And then I also got the Donut Shop one. Nick and I had a coffee advent calendar that had different K-Cups in it, and we really liked the Donut Shop one and actually the Green Mountain one too, so that worked out. And then in each box there's like a variety of flavors. And then last but not least is like the meat stuff. I got 2 things of sausage links for breakfast this week, 2 packages of bacon to have on hand. Oh, and then beef ramen. The kids like beef ramen, so I got that too. And then these little cups. I got the Half-Baked Harvest cookbook for Christmas, and I'm gonna make chocolate mousse tonight to have for dessert. So I found these cups in the Christmas clearance to make that in. So that is everything that I got. It was, I think, $223 for all this stuff. So that will get us through for quite a while. That's a lot of like snacks and like a lot of cheese and stuff like that. So that is our grocery haul for this week. So thank you for watching.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.